Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods, and in this video I have got a few different items for you. I've got a sofa set and along with a divan, a chaise lounge that we call, two tables, side tables, crockery unit, a TV unit. But the fact remains that everything in this particular setup is as per client's requirement. What really happens is these days interior designers, architects, home decorators, they plan the entire thing for you and they have particular sizes for everything. And this is where we come in picture. You go to a showroom, you when you visit there, you have some standard units sitting there. Like if you want a table, it could be 4 by 2, it could be 5 by 3, whatever the size is. But when you require a particular size or a particular design, they may not provide that as per your choice. And here Aarsun works. We provide choice wala furniture. And choice has everything: size, design, colors, fabric, and the setup as you want it. So here we have a three-seater again, a divan, two side tables along with this, two center tables. This is a crockery unit, and again the size is quite different. This is not exactly round sizes. I'll give you the size for this one. The height is 40 inches. Left to right, this unit is 65, not exactly 66, 65 inches, and front to back, this is 20 inches. It has got four doors, and once the glasses are placed on it, it's ready for use. And then we have on this side, this is a kind of TV unit, I think, because this is more like a storage unit. The two cabinets, and then we have two drawers. And the size for this one is 39. Front to back, this is 23 inches, and the height is 32. Now, this is the size part I was talking about. Let's take a case that you have got two pillars in the room, or something like a setup where you require an exact size that sits in between the pillars. And these sizes you don't get when you go to a nearby showroom. And here, Aarsun works for you. We understand your requirement, exactly what you want to say, and that is how we craft these products. Craft because these are handmade. These are not machine made. We don't use very heavy or robotics or CNC or very heavy machines to design this stuff. And everything that you see is in teak wood. This is not plastic. This is not fiber. This is not mango wood or neem wood or rubber wood. This is solid teak wood that lasts for years and years and years. In fact, decades. In fact, the old saying is Dada Lai Pota Barte, means the grandfather got it and the grandson is using that. It's a very old saying in India, and this is how we make our products. The color is off-white with gold highlighting, very light gold highlighting as the client wanted to give it a clean, modern look. The three-seater here, I've shown you this design earlier as well. Quite clean look, French kind of design with light carving here, two, three places, and a little on the pillars and a little on the legwork. Very light carving. And this is majorly the modern style, clean look design, or a French style as you call it. 6.5 feet left to right, back height is 4 feet, front to back 30 inches, 2.5 feet. And that is again a comfortable size. Comfort because let's see here, my knees are right to the edge. If you can see here, it's right to the edge. If the knees are out, in that case, it's not very comfortable. If I have to climb up, I'm sitting very like this, the knees are going up. In that case, also, the unit is not very comfortable. So, this is a good size, good depth, and you can easily, comfortably sit on it. And the overall look you can see, clean look, French design, and the combination of fabric also. This is another important point because fabric gives the look entirely different to any unit. If you use red fabric on this, let's say, it will give a very bright look or some aggressive kind of look to the entire unit. And here your choice comes in play. Exactly, this is the point. For example, like I don't like pink, maybe. And I go to a showroom and what I get is a pink design of sofa, pink fabric of sofa. That won't be as per my choice. I won't wear a shirt that is maybe very bright. I don't like bright colors. I like subtle colors like this. So this is completely the choice part, and fabric is one of the most important parts. This is the chaise lounge, 7 feet. The back height is 44, front to back 30 inches again. And this is also a unique or a different design when you put along with a sofa. We have got a side table, a pair of side tables. It has got two drawers. It is a 22 inches square and 24 inches, 2 feet height. Again, teak wood and off-white paint with light gold highlighting as per the requirement of the client. The table we have here in the middle, it is 54 inches, 4.5 feet and 30 inches wide. And again, light design on both the sides. It looks same from this side as well as this side, and the other two sides are same. The basic idea here is what you want. Again, the same point. Not what we have or not what we can make. We can make, and we are making a lot of stuff, lot of different stuff. In fact, we are making AI designs, artificial intelligence designs. People these days go to different websites, different AI tools like Grok or Bing or some image maker tools, and they get very beautiful, amazing designs that the AI is producing. They give some prompt and you get a beautiful unit coming out. And when you get to make that unit to a real unit, an actual unit, it takes a lot of effort, because making something by software and making something in real is very different. And that is what we are doing these days. The Turkish design, the Italian designs, Egyptian designs, Chinese designs. We are getting so many pictures from across the globe, and we are converting them right here in India by the Indian artisans, the master craftsmen we have, and we are decorating global homes, not just India. This set is going to Kerala. We have covered the entire India region and 55 countries across the globe. I'll request you to visit our testimonial section on the website. It's an amazing area where you can see so much stuff that we have made, delivered, and well delivered safely. That is the most important point. Because this big, huge stuff, how to transport safely to your home that may be thousands of miles away from here, that is itself a big task, and we are doing it successfully for thousands of clients. The other point remains the designing part. You design it as per your choice. Let us know what you want and we will do it for you at factory price. The most important thing here, because price do make a lot of difference, and here we are making it in a small town with lesser expenses and delivering right to your home in India and out of India. That saves all the commission, the traders, the middlemans, and that is the best price you get when you get stuff from Aarsun directly. And if you want to see more of stuff, you can go to YouTube. There are more than 2,500 videos where you can see what we have done, the different colors, different items, different products, the different dimensions, everything explained in detail in these 2,500 videos. And you can select what you like, design what you like, let us know what you want, and we will make it as per your choice and deliver to your home. That we have done for thousands of clients world over. The number is right here. Please contact us. Thank you. Dhanyavad.